Guys, I'm totally shocked. I'm still struggling to find the right words to describe this. I will do my best, guys, to explain this to you, but to make it simple, what I'm about to show you is considered to be the easiest way ever to make money over the web. So stop anything that you're doing right now and pay your full attention to this. Guys, how does it sound for you to be able to make money when someone simply performs a click from their mouse? Yes, guys, just a click. But I'm not talking about clicking on a buy button. I'm not talking about clicking on a checkout page either. I'm not talking about making absolutely any type of purchase decision whatsoever. What I'm talking about here is by clicking on an ad. Yes, just an ad. And without spending any money from your part or from anyone who makes the click, which, by the way, that person who makes the click could be anyone in the whole world, and there are no limits on the clicks you can profit from. A lot of clicks means a lot of money. It's as simple as that. And no, guys, I'm not talking about those silly pay-to-click scammy websites which pay 0.0001 or euros or Bitcoin or whatever per click. No way, guys. That doesn't work. That is a total scam. Guys, what I'm talking about here is that you can make not only 20, but 30, 40, 50, 100, 300, or even $500+ for every single time someone clicks. Yes, guys, this is totally nuts. I told you, I have no words to explain this. I know, guys. I know this sounds terribly crazy, but it's a reality. I'm not lying to you. I'm being totally serious with this. This is crazy, but it's true. Let me explain it this way. Do you know why Facebook is free? Being such an awesome and extremely advanced app, it's free for everyone. And do you know how Facebook makes most of its money? Facebook makes its money through advertising. Yeah, businesses pay Facebook money for each and every click someone does on business-sponsored ads, and that is a reality. But Facebook keeps all of the money for them. They don't have any program to share their profit with anyone else like you and me. Did you know Google does the same thing? Yeah, they make lots and lots of money through a program known as Google Ads, formerly known as Google AdWords. They both make a ton of money simply when someone clicks on an ad. Totally simple, crazy, shocking. Even Microsoft does the exact same thing with what is actually known as Microsoft Ads. But what is the huge difference between Facebook, Google, and Microsoft? Did you guys know Google actually pays you big money for those clicks people make? Yes, guys, that is a reality. That is the huge difference from Facebook ads, Microsoft ads, and Google ads. And today, I'm about to present to you how Google can pay you those crazy high paying clicks with a program known as Google Adsense. To those that don't have a clue about what Google Adsense is, let me tell you, you will be shocked. And to those that already know about Google Adsense, I have something out of this world to show you too, so you better keep watching this video. Okay, now I feel great, guys. I finally can explain to you part of this crazy excitement I have right now explaining this to you. Now, I would like to explain to you how you can make tons of money by applying this knowledge on your behalf. Okay, let's continue. Guys, it's a fact that people are doing AdSense all wrong, and they get paid very little. What if we show you a way to target extremely targeted keywords? Even if you get tiny bits of traffic, you end up making a lot of money. That is the power of what are known as micro-niche blog sites. Set and forget micro-niche blog sites, which take only 5 minutes max to set up. If a blog like that takes 5 minutes to set up and will make you up to $2,000 a year, how many will you set up? A ton of them, right? And I will show you live in this video how to set one up in front of your eyes in less than a minute. So let's do this. There are 4 simple but extremely important secret ingredients you need in order to succeed with Google AdSense. Secret ingredient number 1, the right topic. Secret ingredient number 2, the right keywords. Secret ingredient number 3, the right content. Secret ingredient number 4, the right traffic. Yes, guys, that is all you need to succeed with Google AdSense. And many of you might be asking yourself all kinds of questions, and also some of you which already know about Google AdSense might have so many objections on each one of those secret ingredients. But please, guys, keep watching this video. We have created something so terribly simple but extremely powerful which can answer all of your questions as well as resolve all of your objections. Guys, let me present you to Flare, the one-stop solution for you to profit not only 20, but 30, 40, 50, 100, 300, or even $500+ for every single click people make. Guys, we will grab you by the hand and show you how to use every one of those 4 ingredients so you can succeed with this. But Flair is not only for Google AdSense. You can use it for any other way to profit online. Flair is so awesome that you will find so many ways to profit online like never before. Let me show you what Flair is capable of doing for you live in front of your eyes. Secret ingredient number 1, the right topic. Okay guys, look at this. I'm inside the Google Keyword Planner, and I'm showing you a pretty small example of a high-paying keyword. Guys, the secret number 1 ingredient, the right topic, it's a step which requires a proven strategy, and we will show you step-by-step how to find the highest-paying AdSense topics. This is a small example here, guys. I will show you inside the Flair Premium training how to find keywords of up to $1,000 CPC. Yes, it's crazy high. And inside the right topic comes the right keywords attached to it, which is secret ingredient number 2, the right keywords. Do you guys know what CPC is? Guys, CPC is the most important thing to consider in the secret ingredient number 2. CPC stands for what advertisers have historically paid to Google per click in order to run Google ads on their behalf. Yes, that is right. They are willing to pay up to $43 to Google per click for publishing ads related to this keyword alone. In our example, B2B list building. And do you know how much Google is willing to pay you if people click on those ads located inside your website if it has content related to that topic? Up to 68% of that. Yes, guys, crazy high. You can make up to $30 per click with this keyword alone. Crazy, 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 right? Secret ingredient number 3, the right content. Guys, for Google AdSense, you need a place to put those Google ads so people can click on them. And now I have a question for those AdSense experts that might be watching this video right now. Did you guys know there are 3 types of sites that have the best quality AdSense revenue? Those types of websites are a blog site, a forum site, and a free online tool site. And besides having a site to place those Google ads, you also need content on them, of course. We consider the first option the easiest one to handle, a blog site, or in other words, a micro-niche blog site. And for those Google AdSense experts watching this video, yes, we know that trending, premium quality, and unique content is required for running AdSense ads on a blog site for better performance. Well, that is the great news we have for you too. Besides giving you the right topic, as well as the right keywords, we made it possible for you to create a professional, beautiful-looking blog site 100% free in any niche you want, with trending, premium quality, and unique content, without writing a single line of text in under a minute. Well, you actually have to type on the keyboard, but that's all you will do, I promise. This is a fresh, professional-looking WordPress site which took me a really short time to set up. We will show you how to set one up like this really easy inside the training. This is to prove to you that you will be able to use Flair for any kind of WordPress site. Just keep watching. I have created this blog to target a very hot AdSense topic, digital marketing, which would be the secret ingredient number 1, the right topic. And I've also created some hot AdSense categories inside the digital marketing topic as well. Here I'm inside Flair. I will add my website with just a few clicks. I will download the Flair plugin to connect my site. And we'll install the plugin. And activate it. Great. Now let's create some trending, premium quality, and unique content without writing a single line of text, but a keyword in under a minute. Ready? Start the clock. Here, you can see a huge list of high CPC keywords ready for you to pick and use. I will work with the keyword email marketing software with a whopping CPC of $48, which is the secret ingredient number 2, the right keyword. Let's create a post with it. This will send me to the poster section to create a post, which has the potential to pay me up to $32 per click on Google AdSense. And we will research for a trending, premium quality, and unique content video from YouTube, and we will create a post with it in a snap. Yes, guys, what you have seen is the conversion of this trending and premium quality video into text in just a click. And would you like to know if this content is unique? Well, let's find out. As you can see, this content you have here is 100% unique. How cool is that? You can also customize your post as much as you want. Let's select our website. Select Publish. Select the category. And click on Create Post. Well, that was quick too. Let's take a look at our blog site now. And this is what your blog would look like just a few minutes later adding more posts. And there you have it, your secret ingredient number 3, the right content. You now have a blog site with posts with trending, premium quality, and unique content in just a few minutes by only typing a keyword embedded with some high CPC AdSense ads to profit as much as you want. How cool is that? This is what Flare can do for you, but a whole lot more. And what about that secret ingredient number 4, the right traffic? Guys, here, let me show you our traffic monster. Guys, here you have a list of up to 97 high traffic sites where you can advertise your websites with just a few clicks. Guys, here's where people hang out the most, and you can use this tool as well as much as you want. Guys, you have everything you need here. Flare is the tool we need. Well, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this demonstration. The sky's the limit. There is so much potential here. I hope you have already thought of so many ways you can take great advantage of Flare. And remember, we will show you how to find those keywords with a CPC as high as $1,000 per click. Crazy, right? Well, get inside the training and you will see. See you there.